BEI's 9600 series linear position sensor is designed for a variety of space-limited feedback applications that require high accuracy. This device is used to control and monitor motion and position applications for quality control feedback and to ensure safety. It is ideally suited for use in harsh operating environments where reliability is a must. The BEI 9600 series sensor's high temperature stability is perfect for use in industrial, vehicular, machine tool, and robotic applications. It is operable in any temperature between -40 degrees Celsius and 135 degrees Celsius. The solderable terminal tabs and durable spring-loaded plunger makes installation and operation of the BEI 9600 series easy. An excellent unit life of 1 million cycles ensures high reliability in demanding installations. For more information on BEI's 9600 series linear position sensor and other BEI solutions, visit galco.com.